Yo guys, and today I will be discussing Bitcoin that is currently still trading in the middle of its consolidation range, and on the 12-hour time frame, Bitcoin is absolutely ready for this breakout. Only the question is right now, how long will it still take? And also, guys, Terra Luna is going to be launching on the 27th of May 2022, and I will be sharing my opinions about that, as well talking about the DXY compared to Bitcoin chart, the fear and greed index across the market, and of course JP Morgan that currently is still very bullish on Bitcoin. And should we counter trade JP Morgan, because they have of course gotten history that they were always thinking the other way around what they publicly said. So guys, this will be getting discussed on today's video. Make sure to watch this video till the end because it's going to be definitely very interesting. And with that being said, guys, make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right away in towards the content. So yeah, going in towards the 1 hour time frame on Bitcoin, I can not say a lot about it since not a lot have changed since yesterday. Bitcoin still trading in this sideways action pattern, and you can clearly see, maybe if we're going to zoom in on the imminent short term right now, Bitcoin is indeed creating that upward sloping support line, and Bitcoin is indeed creating that downward sloping resistance line, really resulting in potentially a symmetrical triangle getting formed right now here. This could be of course potentially still lead towards more market volatility in the coming hours ahead of ourselves. I will be just patiently wait to see where Bitcoin is really going to be moving towards, and even though we do break down here, I'm not going to flip bearish on Bitcoin as long as we're holding up the support line, and I'm not going to flip bullish on Bitcoin as long as we're not breaking above the top side. But guys, right now, make sure to stick with me on this video. It is starting to become very interesting. Bitcoin 12-hour time frame, of course, we've been looking at this time frame several times before. This is of course the real consolidation that has not faked us out yet here. This 12-hour time frame is going to choose the direction anytime soon. As you can see, it is coming closer and closer towards an apex right now, and it will be deciding whether it's going to be breaking bullish or bearish in the coming hours ahead of ourselves right now here. And of course, if you want to be staying up to date about where we are breaking towards, make sure to follow me on Twitter and on my Telegram group, so you will be definitely not miss out about where this direction for Bitcoin is going to be towards. At the same time, of course, guys, you can see the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Not a lot of interesting things are actually happening over here, but this is always what I mean here, guys. Like you can see, not a lot of interesting things are happening, and that is why we are going to be having that massive move, right? You can see volume is creeping down massively. The volume is coming down, the market is getting more bored, and that is why we should be paying attention, because that is always the perfect ingredient for that massive market movement, right? So volume is coming down here, price action is getting squeezed in towards an apex. This is the perfect recipe for a massive market movement. Then going further in towards the content, we do know that Terra Luna 2.0 is going to be launching on the 27th of May, and of course we can see all kinds of exchanges already telling us that they are supporting this launch and supporting the airdrop. However, I do personally think it's not going to be a pretty positive launch, and maybe on launch day it could be, of course, have some positive price action, but in the end of the day, I personally think they are going to come down massively. So I am giving you guys a big warning shot, and if you're going to be buying this, it is a big risk, I would tell you for sure. So guys, make sure to do your own research on this. I am not a huge fan of it. I will be not buying Terra Luna 2.0. If I do miss out on certain gains, I don't care, because I'm not willing to take the risk for this one. At the same time, guys, we do know dollar index is really coming in with a massive rejection across the market right now here. We do know that historically speaking, this has been a range where Bitcoin bull runs are getting started from off. So make sure to zoom out once you're in doubt. And guys, right now we are seeing that signal for a potential bull run 2022 getting started right now, since the dollar index is getting that rejection on the market. But now I am going to go in towards an important part of the video, the Bitcoin fear. We can clearly see right now the fear and greed index topping out around 12 right now here. That is pretty low here. We're sitting at all-time highs or either close towards all-time highs in the fear and greed index. And like I warned you guys about, if you're selling right now, you are actually selling towards the Bitcoin wheels, because we can see Bitcoin wheels are accumulating, and apparently the Bitcoin wheels like to be accumulating in periods where there is high uncertainty in the market and also high fear in the market. So fear and greed index setting extremely low, extreme big fear in the market, and wheels have been accumulating at a faster pace never seen before. So take this in consideration. I'm not saying the bottom is in. I'm not saying Bitcoin has to be exploding towards the upside right now from this point, but we do know that wheels like to be accumulating once you are in fear. And of course, I rather follow the smart money than the dumb money. So that is why I'm still going to stick bullish on Bitcoin. At the same time, we do know that JP Morgan is placing Bitcoin its fair price on $38,000 US, But we do know that last time around where JP Morgan said Bitcoin is going to go towards 100k in 2017, Bitcoin crashed and JP Morgan actually sold their Bitcoin. And while Bitcoin was sitting at a bear market low, JP Morgan said it's going to crash to zero, it's nothing worth, and they were buying Bitcoin. So maybe they're once again counter trading us here. It's a big warning. I'm not saying Bitcoin necessarily has to come down here, but JP Morgan has historically got its name that we should always counter trade them. So yeah, they are saying right now Bitcoin, its fair price is around 38k here, and it is also declaring that cryptocurrencies are their preferred alternative assets, that they will be not using the real estate assets anymore, but they will be replacing them with cryptocurrency assets. So that's pretty interesting. And also, as the last point, I want to be mentioning what is basically one of the most important parts of this video, if you do have that zoomed out view on the market, is the Bitcoin monthly time frame. Bitcoin monthly time frame, of course, still in a massive consolidation phase. Historically speaking, Bitcoin has been always consolidating for multi-months here before creating really that massive market run up, that big market bull run, and right now we're still seeing that consolidation phase for Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin take another few months here before it's going to be breaking out? Yes, but you can see clearly here on the RSI that we're currently at low risk stages for accumulating Bitcoin. And once we are at low risk stages, I definitely would suggest, of course, no, I wouldn't suggest, you should do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but once Bitcoin historically trades so low on the monthly RSI, it has always been a good buying opportunity. So guys, make sure to do your own research. Bitcoin is a low risk buy right now. Will drop a little bit further, potentially true here, but will it inevitably come up again? Yes, that is for sure true. So guys, thank you so much for watching towards this very short update video. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did enjoy it, guys, smash up the subscribe button to the channel and make sure to press up that notification button, because I will be jumping on a video or either live with you guys out there if we do break out of this symmetrical triangle. And that's going to be definitely very important for a trading opportunity, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.